If you want to see how I achieved this faux bang bun hairstyle, stay tuned for the video. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing a styling video. I put up this hairstyle on one of my IG reels and I had some people asking me to slow it down. So I heard your cries, so today I'm going to be doing a step-by-step guide on how I achieved the look. So this look was inspired by Miss Kobedi. She has another way that you can do and achieve the same style on her YouTube channel, so I will link her video in the description box below. Very fast. This is going to take you up to maybe 1 or 2 minutes, so let's get started. You will need a brush and just 2 hair ties, and also some water or a liquid of your choice. In here I have water and aloe juice and apple cider vinegar, as well as some tea tree oil and some eucalyptus oil. So first off, we know that we don't do anything on our locks without spraying our hair first. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to spray your hair with your liquid. So you're just going to go ahead and spray your whole head. Make sure that it's saturated hair, especially if your hair is like dry. You want it to be soft, so that you want your hair to be really like saturated and damp, so that you don't break your locks. So okay, so once you are happy that your hair is nice and saturated with water, what you're going to do is you're just going to brush the tops of your hair just to make it a little bit neater. And I do this because I have quite a bit of new growth hair. Now what you're going to do is you're going to make your faux bang, okay? So you're going to take a little bit less than half of the top part of your hair. I don't like my faux bang to be bushy, so I take about that much off. So I take about this much off, and then I just brush the rest as I go. Okay, so you've taken this amount. So once you've taken this amount of hair, what you want to do is you want to fold it over to make your bun. So this is how you're going to fold it over to make your bun, right? Just make sure that you are happy with the amount of hair that is here in the front. So if you want to add more, you can add more pieces doing the same thing, just to sort of like estimate where you want your bun to sit. So if you want to add more or you want to take off less, then by all means you can do that, but I think I am happy with how much I have now. So you're going to loosely position it like so, and then you're going to take one of your headbands and you're going to secure over there. So like when you are tying your headband at this stage, you want to make sure that it's a little bit looser, so don't go in 3 times or 4 times, because you will be pulling hair out in order to make your bun what you want it to be. So now once you're done with that, you're going to pull pieces to position your bun as you would like. I like my bun to be longer on the sides and shorter in the front, So as you can see, I'll be pulling the sides that are at the end to be longer, and then if you want to make it shorter, you pull up here and you just brush with your fingers. This one is a little longer, so you make sure that you just make it as long or as short as you would like to have it. It doesn't have to be perfect, guys, but I promise you it will look good. Not the bang, the bang. So once you are sort of kind of happy with how your bang is sitting in front, then you're going to take the rest of the hair that was left behind. I just want to brush the back, make sure that I'm neatening up as I go. So you're just going to take the rest of the hair, you combine it, so you bring it forward, don't bring it back, because if you bring it back, then look what happens to your bun. So you're going to want to bring this hair forward into your bun. So you're bringing the hair forward to meet your bun. Okay? And then you're going to secure again with a headband. This actually looks kind of cool. Okay, so just make sure that all of your hair is in. I just put the hair tie in once. I didn't go for twice. So make sure all of your hair is in the hair tie. Ne? Yeah. So once all of your hair is in the hair tie, you're going to twist all of this hair around your bun. And you can use bobby pins or hair clips to secure the hair, but I'm just going to tuck it in as much as I can. And then you're just gonna fix your bang, your bang. Your bang. You're gonna just fix your bang to make sure that it's sitting how you want it to sit. And there you have a faux bang look. It's just as easy as that. So that's how it looks. I hope to see you rocking the style on your locks, on your braids, your faux locks. And if you do, please don't hesitate to tag me in those pictures. If you enjoy seeing lock styling videos, please give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.